Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can delete all the pins on a Pinterest board at once. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest tab on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon, then open the board. After that, tap on the Organize button and then select the Select All option. Now, you can find a little trash icon. Tap on it and then select Delete button again. This will delete all of the pins on the Pinterest board.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.